Today, I am reviewing the Dreo fan for bedroom. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. After spending a significant amount of time testing the Dreo TurboPoly Fan 502 in a variety of different environments, I have come to the conclusion that this is far more than just a standard pedestal fan. In fact, calling it a fan almost feels like an understatement because it functions more like a high-end air management system for the home. Most of us are used to the traditional oscillating fans that simply push a wall of air from left to right, but this device completely changes that dynamic by acting as a true omni-directional circulator. The standout feature that immediately sets this unit apart is the dual-axis oscillation. It offers a full 120 degrees of movement both vertically and horizontally at the same time. This creates a sort of figure-8 motion that reaches every single corner of a room, including the ceiling and the floor. In my experience, this makes a massive difference in how the room feels. Instead of waiting for the fan to point directly at you to feel a breeze, the entire volume of air in the room begins to move. This is particularly useful if you're trying to balance out the temperature in a large living room or an office where multiple people are sitting in different spots. When it comes to performance, the power is genuinely impressive. Dreo has implemented what they call a TurboPoly design, which allows the air to reach up to 90 feet. This is a staggering distance for a fan of this size. I tested it in a long hallway and found that the air column remains tight and focused, which is essential for effective air circulation. This power is driven by a highly efficient DC motor. The transition to DC is significant because it allows for much more granular control over wind speeds. You get 8 distinct speed settings, which means you can find the perfect balance between a gentle whisper and a powerful gust. Speaking of whispers, the noise level is where the Dreo 502 really shines for bedroom use. On its lowest settings, it operates at just 20 decibels. To put that into perspective, that is quieter than a library or even a soft whisper. The aerodynamic wing-shaped blades are designed to cut through the air with minimal turbulence, which eliminates that annoying rhythmic chopping sound that cheaper fans often produce. Even when you ramp up the speed to the higher levels, the sound remains a smooth, white noise hum rather than a mechanical clatter. This makes it an ideal companion for light sleepers who need airflow without the distraction of loud machinery. The versatility of this unit is another high point. Because the height is adjustable between 35 and 40 inches, you can use it as a low-profile floor circulator or a standard pedestal fan. It also includes 3 specific modes that adapt to different needs. For example, during the day you might want a consistent blast, but at night, the sleep mode can taper down to ensure you don't wake up feeling too cold. The included remote control is responsive and well laid out, allowing you to manage the oscillation, speed, and the 8-hour timer from across the room without getting out of bed. One aspect that is often overlooked with fans is year-round utility. Most people pack their fans away once September hits, but the Dreo 502 is designed to stay out. Because of its intense circulation power, it is a perfect partner for your air conditioner in the summer to eliminate hot spots, and just as useful in the winter when paired with a space heater to push the rising warm air back down to the living space. It even helps distribute moisture more evenly if you are running a humidifier. In terms of energy efficiency, the DC motor saves about 40% more energy compared to traditional AC fans, which is a nice bonus for your electricity bill if you plan on running it constantly. The build quality feels sturdy and modern, with a bionic design that looks sleek enough for a professional office, but subtle enough for a cozy bedroom. To wrap things up, the Dreo TurboPoly Fan 502 is a premium piece of household technology that delivers on its promises of quiet operation, immense reach, and total room coverage. It solves the common problems of stagnant air and noisy motors with a sophisticated, user-friendly design. If you are looking for a reliable, powerful, and nearly silent way to stay comfortable throughout the year, this fan is an investment that truly pays off in daily comfort. It is powerful, efficient, and arguably the quietest fan I have ever had the pleasure of using.